our morning starts off this way. Where are you? Oh, it's going to cost us a little bit more money now. Wait a minute, you f***ed up. It costs us, you money. Well, we're not paying. See how that goes. You know what I mean? Dennis, guess what? Another $600. What? Another fine quality day this morning, okay? Manufacturer screws up on the product, makes the wrong size. Now the installation company says, guess what? It's going to cost them an additional $600, which they don't want to absorb. And you know who doesn't like absorbing money? Dennis. Good conversation this morning. Yippee. Here's Juan. I might as well give him a share of the moment. The exact customs for the teak. He just got back to me, and he cannot absorb $600. So I think we're going to have a little bit of an issue today. I know. I mean, but, you know, we're going to try to get him to eat it, and let's see how that all works, because it's, you know, if it's not made, man, we're going to have a problem.
Okay, guys, how we doing?
All right.
Let's go through the jobs and try to get this finished and get back out there on the projects. Mark, I want to start on the 30 Scarab. I'm going to ask you again, where's my C deck?
Here's your answer. Just got an email letting me know it will cost me another $600, which I cannot absorb.
So he just tells us this now, after all of this time, when he told you it was going to be ready by Friday.
They f***ed up.
Yeah, I know.
To correct that up, it's going to cost them $600. They want us to absorb it.
We paid this guy. He came out. He digitized it wrong. The panels were too small. He's trying to charge me another $600. I want my shit. He screwed up.
When you piss people off, you might get zero.
It's not pissing him off. You're holding them accountable for their work. It's not our responsibility to do that. We didn't do it. Who digitized the boat? They did. You got to go back to the facts, not what you're thinking. Go back to facts. You digitized the boat. It didn't come out right. It's not our responsibility to give you another $600 because you didn't do your f***ing job right.
Right.
He's holding up our money on the project. That's the last thing we need to be before we're done.
I know that.
We need to get that sea deck in, go on sea trial. Have a nice day, Scarab.
I've been begging for that thing to leave. Yes, I get it.
Since it's getting delayed, why don't we go ahead and put the boat in the water, take it on the final sea trial we need?
Yeah. Let's do that.
Scary Scarab going in the water. We're gonna go nice and easy with it today and see if we can get 63 if the water allows us. Just gonna check systems one more time because they gotta go through everything on this boat is new technology. No matter how many boats you've driven, you know, they all respond differently.
Perfectly fine.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No, it is not.
I just looked at it.
It is not. I'm not worried about the steering helm. I'm talking about the actual physical motor itself. This part is no good.
I just tested it. It was as smooth as butter. It's only up and down armature.
What did you test?
Push it easily. It's the up and down. It's the ram, the up and down.
You can grab the head of that motor and then spin it left and right, real easy.
Butter.
Really?
Yes.
We know the one twisting this way.
Look.
I have to get going.
The interconnect that holds it
Yes.
has popped out.
We know that.
Right.
We know that.
That's what drives it back and forth.
That's what makes it turn.
The up and down, it's frozen. You can see the rust
right.
on it. They need
All
to
right.
be greased, heated. They might need to be taken apart.
All right. Well, if you grab that motor and go like this, that motor should swing like there's no tomorrow. Firing her up, man. There's the 250s. Oh yeah, she's lovely. Okay, some Scary Scarab, man. She's floating now. Scary Scarab 30 coming on out. Hey, just going under the bridge. So right here, man, this is a really cool place. They call it Little Florida because it's a peninsula, stands out. So what you're looking at right there is downtown Fort Lauderdale. Scary Scarab outbound, just coming around under 7th Avenue Bridge. When you see a red marker like that, okay, that's indicating that there's something else over there, like a sandbar. So I do know a captain that was coming up the New River with a catamaran. I think it was a Key West captain. Yeah, he kind of went right on the sandbar there, you know. And I guess there was somebody on the vessel telling him to watch out for the sandbar, but he didn't know. GPS is so up to date right now. I see the sandbar plain as day. I think he drafted a little bit more than 2 or 3 feet. We're at 35 right now.
For all the things that can go wrong, things can actually go right. The pendulum can swing the other way from time to time. Looking at this beautiful vessel cut through the ocean like a bullet, it's easy to forget just how bad a shape this thing was in when it got here. In fact, to see it now, there's no way the title Scary Scarab is even a fit for this beautiful boat any longer. From here on out, the only fitting name for this boat,
We call it the Foster 30. It's a Foster 30.
When I first got it, it was kind of a project. So I was kind of trying to find who the best person would be to take it to. And I kind of got a run around from the first guy I took it to. He was charging a lot of money, but not actually doing a proper job. So my father asked his friend Heiko to find someone who he thought could do the job. And you guys found Foster's. That boat, I really like it. And I liked how it turned out. But the way it was before, totally different to now. It's like a brand new boat again. I would recommend if you need your boat to be fixed to send it here.
when everyone's hard work finally comes together, the payoff is a thing of beauty. This is what makes all the headaches and the chaos worth it.